Women are amazing. We go through so many incredible changes throughout our lives. But did you know your dietary needs need to change too? Today, we are diving into the world of food as medicine, specifically for women. You know, I love you guys. Exploring how to nourish your body at every stage in your life, from childhood to adolescence to reproductive stage to pregnancy to menopause to premenopause and to the adult stage. Make sure you stick to this channel and give your attentive ear and learn a lot. Before we dive into the topic today, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you do that now, especially if you are the type that take your health seriously and you are all about living a healthy lifestyle. This channel is for you. Click that subscribe button and the next bell right to it so that you get notified anytime I post video. Let's get started with this video. Let's start with the building blocks. During childhood and adolescence, girls need plenty of calcium for strong bones and iron for healthy blood. Think dark leafy greens, yogurt, lean protein, and whole grains. As young women enter their reproductive years, folic acid becomes crucial for future pregnancies. Leafy greens is also very important as a source of folic acid. Beans as well and fortified cereals are your folic acid friends. Pregnancy is a beautiful time, but it also comes with increased nutritional demands. Focus on protein for building your baby and don't forget healthy fats for brain development. Fatty fish, nuts, and avocados are your go-to superstars. Postpartum is a time of recovery. Iron-rich foods like red meat and lentils will help replenish blood loss, but be mindful of the amount of red meat you consume at this stage, while calcium-rich options continue to support bone health. As women enter their 40s and 50s, our bodies become more efficient at absorbing calcium, but we still need it for strong bones. Dairy products, leafy greens, and calcium-fortified foods are key. During perimenopause and menopause, hormonal changes can affect weight management. Focus on whole grains for sustained energy, fruits and vegetables for antioxidants, and healthy fats to keep you feeling full. Maintaining a healthy weight, staying active, and managing stress are also important components of health during every stage of a woman. Make sure you practice the following. Eat a variety of foods by incorporating a rainbow of fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats in your food. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day and minimize the amount of water close to bedtime. Limit processed food by reducing the intake of sugary drinks, fast foods, and processed snacks. Mindful eating is very important. Pay attention to hunger and fullness cues and avoid emotional eating. Regular physical activity is very important as well by combining aerobic exercise with strength training for overall health benefits. By prioritizing nutrient-dense food and healthy lifestyle habits, women can support their health and well-being at every stage of their life. The adage that food is medicine truly underscores the power of nutrition in promoting a healthy and vibrant life. This is all I have for you today in this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you share, subscribe, and click that notification bell so that you never miss any video from me. Until next, see you in the next video. Bye.